Okay, I know. O, sige. Chair. Ginawa mo pa ako.
Upuan.
TV.
TV.
Hi everyone.
Today we're going to study about Tagalog and English. Daga.
Daga. Socks.
I don't. Mesa.
Meso. Med. Medyas. Soy. Shoes.
Zapatos.
Okay.
That's also with Spanish.
Okay, I know. O, sige. Chair. Ginawa mo pa ako.
Upuan.
TV.
TV. Television.
Yan! Television. Pagbatang to. O, kwarto. Ay, si mama naman. Ay!
Sorry.
Uy! Masakit yung siko.
I'm sorry.
Okay na. Hindi mo naman sadya, baby. Pero masakit.
Sorry.
Okay. Wait ang sahod. O, tapos, mag-aano tayo ng school.
Bes? Eskwela.
Yan,
Pwede.
Family.
Pamilya.
Father.
Tatay.
Teacher.
I don't know. Guro.
Yan!
Ay, galing ah.
Principal.
Punong guro.
Ako principal lang ako eh.
What about
What? Galing naman ako. Pero
a doctor?
sakit.
What about a doctor?
Doktor. Ganun siya
How about
i-pronounce.
nurse?
Nurse.
Nurse?
Nurse. Yeah. Nurse is nurse. N-A-R-S. Doctor is doctor. Doctor. Yan. Ganyan ang doctor.
And what about
What about
staff?
Huh?
Staff.
Staff? Tauhan. Kawani. Mga kawani. Subordinates eh. Ewan ko. Basta
How
mga
about
tauhan. Ba't akong tinanong
Librarian.
librarian? Siridaktat. The library is siridaklatan. I don't know the librarian. How to say it in Tagalog?
Librarian.
Librarian.
Yes.
Oo nga pala. Ay, hindi. Sa Tagalog, ano?
Oh, pwede rin. Librarian.
Librarian, A-B, Y-B.
Yes.
Okay na. Ba't ako, I'm teaching you. Why are you asking me? Ha? Binaligtad mo. Sige, mag-isip ako. Boat.
I don't know.
Okay, let's study the parts of the house. Okay? Roof.
I don't know.
Bubong.
Football.
Sige, tabi na. Bubong.
Bubong.
Living room.
I don't know.
Sala.
Sala. What about bedroom?
Kwarto. Oh, you remember them, ha? I'm gonna ask you again later. Okay, let's go back. Roof is bubong. Okay? Living room is sala. Sometimes they call it salas. Meron mga in Spanish na sala. Bedroom is kwarto. See? Kitchen is kusina. Right?
And what about bathroom?
Living room is salas nga pala. Dining room is kainan. Ano ba yan? Kainan ba?
And what about
Tagalog ng dining room. Kainan.
comfort room?
Ano na? Comfort room. Banyo.
Banyo?
Kubeta.
Beta.